Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the S&P 500 starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, let's take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the S&P 500, this to me definitely looks like a downtrend, most likely an A. I think this move up is going to be a crescent to this move down, which would make that a wave B, and I do expect that it will go down at least one more time for wave C. I think someplace around the $3,200 area, right around the 61.8% is the most likely place for this to end a wave C before it actually goes back into a bull market. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it still looks to me like this is a big downtrend, a wave A. I think this move up is a wave A also, an A of B. Looks to me like three waves down for a B of B, and I bet this is going to just keep on going up and take out the high of wave 4 to make what I think is a wave C of wave B before it actually heads back down like I was showing on the longer time frames to make this wave C, someplace probably around the $3,200 area. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see the uptrend back here for the wave A, and then I definitely see a three-way pattern down. It looks like an A, B, C, or B, and I think that we're going up to make a wave C of wave B, just like I was showing on the weekly time frame. So if that's true, that means we still got a long ways to go to the upside, telling me that I still am going to primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely kind of looks like it already made three waves down. It definitely has been respecting the 38.2 level, so there's a good chance this has already ended a crescent and that this is actually just going to keep on trending up like that. Now, we do have to remember that we have CPI news coming out shortly for the US dollar, so whatever's happening now is most likely setting itself up for the US dollar news. I still think the most likely thing is that this is going to go up, the US dollar is going to go down at the news. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is possibly the end of a crescent right here. This right here definitely looks like a trend. I think this is right here is probably part of a crescent also. And like I said, whatever's happening now is setting itself up for the news. I think there's a good possibility we already have the end of a crescent here with another higher low, and there's a good possibility this is just going to keep on trending up, making those higher highs and higher lows. Pretty much all the higher time frames are telling me the trend is still up. Shorter time frames, I'm still primarily looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of any of these A, B, C corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.